me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end. Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair wig review for you guys. And again, your girl is wearing this wig completely glueless. It's just been easy for me. And if I can get a very natural look with half the effort of gluing and melting my wig, I'm gonna at least try it. And it worked out today, okay? So today's video is brought to you again by OMGHerHair. So I'm gonna start off, of course, with the unboxing, the application and styling, because it's very, very easy. I'm pretty much styled this wig out the pack. I didn't even wash it. All I did was rake the curls out, but you guys will see that process. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching.
No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, hit me out. Like I make you do the craziest things. Yeah. I didn't mean to hurt you, babe. Oh no. If you decide to leave, you will help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you will give me another chance. Oh, so tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now, yeah, yeah. Don't leave, wait a minute. Let me make up for the wrongs I did. I'm just a human, I admit it. What will it take for you to forgive me? Forgive me. If you decide to leave, you would help me anyway. Maybe I am too naive, but I'm choosing to believe that you would give me another chance. Oh, whoa. So tell me now, can we find love? Can we go back to where we were? All I want is to love you, start all over. Tell me now, oh, can we find love? Can we go back? All I want is to love you, yeah, start all over. Tell me now, tell me now. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't know how this gonna end.
Alright guys, so you saw that easy install. I'm wearing it completely glueless again. Glueless installs are the way to go. Like I said, it's definitely some pros and cons with glueless installs, as far as you won't have that super nice melt. But if you are working with a wig that has really good lace to start with, that's already very thin and, you know, that's going to melt down regardless if it's glueless or not, then it's going to make it a lot easier. And I'm wearing this as the middle part, so that makes it a lot easier to wear glueless as well. So I'm going to go ahead and read the specs for you guys. This is the OMGHerHair 13x6 deep wave HD lace wig. It has a natural pre-plucked hairline and invisible knots. So the starting price at the shortest length is $276. This is a higher end company, so you're gonna have to pay that higher end price. especially with this kind of lace. So 14 inches is $276. I have the longest length, which is 22 inches, and this wig is $456, okay? So with that price point, you get a lot done for you. I'm telling you, this was easy. They sent me different lace to show you guys, and I just, you know, showed it on my forearm. I'm gonna insert on the side the different kinds of lace that they sent. First, they sent me regular lace. The regular lace, to me, of course, didn't really blend down. I didn't spray these down, but you can still tell the difference between a lace that's, you know, gonna be very meltable and everything, even if it's not melted down. So the regular lace was pretty apparent on my forearm. They do offer brown Swiss lace, and that's gonna be less expensive than their HD lace. The brown Swiss lace looked pretty good. It was just a deeper shade than what my complexion is, but if you do have a deeper skin tone, you might wanna go with the brown Swiss lace. And then they sent me their HD lace, which blended down the best with my complexion. So that is what I have with this wig. They do offer small, medium, and large caps. I'm pretty sure I have a medium cap though. It has an adjustable elastic band in the cap, which to me, it's also removable, which is really good. So it made it a lot easier to wear glueless as well, because you have that adjustable elastic band. So your lace lays more flat. So the lace is already, you know, really good. And then it has that adjustable elastic band in the cap to make it more flat to your head. As you guys saw, I didn't use any glue. I did gel my baby hairs down. I used the Style Factor Edge Booster and the scent Pineapple. It smells good. And when you're gelling your edges down a little bit, it kind of sticks the hairline down a little bit. So I just did it at the temples and at my sideburns. And something that I do for my hairline is, I know I'm going to be wearing this glueless and I wanted no lace to be sticking up. So I did cut behind my hairline, definitely around my ears, and I just gelled my own natural baby hairs down. Now, if you suffer from hair loss and you don't have the hair to do that, you don't have to do that. You can just, you know, glue the whole hairline down if you need to. Do what works for your hairline, because I'm always going to do that for me. And it made it look more natural, and I didn't have to, you know, glue down anything. So this lace looks really good. I did not put any contour on my lace because I didn't want it to look bad outside. Of course, I want it to look good on camera. From what I'm seeing right now, I don't see any ashy spots or any lightness. I might have some a little bit right here because my lace is sticking up a bit, but that's the trade-off with, you know, glueless installs. You might have a little bit of frayed edges from your lace sticking up, but I think overall it looks really good. Do a sunlight test for you guys. It's very sunny today. So I showed you guys it in shade, looks good in shade, and then high sunlight, it still looks good to me. So lace will never be skinned, but I feel like this wig passed the sunlight test with flying colors. So very impressed with that. Yeah, and that was just me talking about the lace, okay? The hair itself is gorgeous. This curl pattern is what I like my curls to look like. Very fluffy and kind of like thicker. This is very beautiful, y'all. Like, this is summer hair. This is vacation hair, okay? I mean, this is really, really beautiful. You are going to be getting what you pay for with this wig, because they do so much for you, and it's beautiful and it's very easy. I don't know how, I hope, I have a lot of wigs to review between now and like the middle of May, and I hope I can wear them all glueless like this. This is really nice, okay? I did tweeze a little bit of the hairline. The hairline comes pre-plucked, but even though it was pre-plucked, it still had kind of a square look to it, and you guys will probably have seen that in the unboxing and me just plopping it on my head. So I just lightly tweezed it. It did kick up some shedding because of that though, so keep that in mind. But yeah, overall, I feel like this is a good investment, and it was super, super easy. Super easy, and that's what I'm here for. These wig reviews can be very stressful when you have to melt them and everything like that, but this was very easy. So OMGHerHair, they made it easy on me. Now, of course, if you use your adhesive sprays, you're gonna get that good melt because it's already bomb lace to begin with, so it's just gonna make it, you know, even nicer. So if you are interested in this wig, you can head over to OMGHerHair and pick it up there. Any coupon codes that they might have, I'll have them listed in the description box for you guys. Shout out to OMGHerHair for sponsoring another video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in and support my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much. Be sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms to keep up with me. TikTok and Instagram at 𝐖𝐢𝐠𝐬, and be sure to follow my Amazon storefront, okay, and shop all of my categories from wigs to pet supplies to makeup. I have a lot of different categories on there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Oh no. Tell me now, tell me something, 'cause I don't wanna be just friends.